Hey, ¿qué pasa, Mufasa? It's Brendan back with another video. So if you're watching this video, then you are feeling the struggle to getting to your first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube.
I'm just gonna do OnlyFans.
And since we just hit 1,000 subscribers on this channel, I figured I would make a video showing you everything that I've learned along this YouTube journey in hopes to help you reach your goal of hitting that 1,000 subscriber mark here on YouTube. So without wasting any more of your time, let's get started. The first and most important thing to keep in mind when you start your YouTube channel is to have persistence. You can't give up after posting 1 or 2 videos and it doesn't blow up like you thought it would, and you just kind of throw in the towel. Look, I'm no expert on this, but believe me when I say I know the struggle is real when it comes to YouTube. It can be frustrating when you hit record and you start editing and then you post a video and you get no interaction. That can really be discouraging for a lot of people. And for the majority of YouTubers, when we first start out, that's how it's going to be. You're going to be making videos and you're going to feel like nobody is seeing them. But believe me, you need to keep making videos, keep editing, rinse and repeat, and continue and being persistent in YouTube. And what's going to happen is eventually you're going to get better at making videos. You're going to get better at editing and uploading more efficiently in a faster manner. And overall, the quality of your videos are going to get better as you go through this YouTube journey. So I started my channel 2 years ago, and just up until recently, I hit my first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, posting almost one video pretty much every week. It is a lot of work. It is persistence, though, that got us to that 1,000 subscriber mark. And if you look at a big channel like Mr. Beast, when he did that Casey Neistat interview, he said it himself. He made almost 1,000 videos before he had his first big break on YouTube. Now, if that's not persistence, then I don't know what is. So after we've decided that we are going to commit ourselves to YouTube, the next thing that I would recommend is finding out who your target audience is. What is the niche of your channel? Now, in my opinion, there are 2 ways to go about this. You can either have a more broader sense of your audience or what your channel is about, or you can laser in and become very specific niche of what your channel or target audience is. So for example, your channel can be about cooking, it can be about photography and videography, it can be vlogging. There are so many genres of YouTube channels out there. But we have to remember one thing though, is the function of YouTube. People come to YouTube to either learn how to do something, learn about a specific topic or about a product. Or on the other hand, they're here to pass time or to be entertained. And this is why you're gonna get a lot of advice on YouTube for people saying that you need to niche down and focus your channel to target a specific audience. So for example, back to our photography example, your channel can be a photography focused channel. However, if you're somebody like Manny Ortiz, you're not just a photography channel, but you are more focused on portrait photography. Niching down to a very specific topic in a broader genre is gonna help you get subscribers. But more importantly, it's gonna build an audience and a community around the topic that you are most interested in. So a super helpful plugin that I've been using since the very beginning is TubeBuddy. Whenever I have a few ideas on a video that I want to make, I go to TubeBuddy and I start researching the keywords of that topic to see if the video is going to perform well. So when I decide I want to make a video, I go to Google Chrome where the plugin is installed and I start researching keywords. So I start typing in these keywords and TubeBuddy lets me know as to whether or not this topic is going to be searchable, if there's an opportunity to optimize it better than the competition, and also if there's too much competition on this video. So whenever I search a keyword and I hit enter, I get a score, and based off of that score, it can kind of tell me whether or not my video is going to perform well. But my main focus when using TubeBuddy is to see how many times that keyword is being searched on YouTube. The more people that are searching for the topic of your video, the more likely they are to find it once you publish it. So this is what you would see when you have a free version of TubeBuddy. But if you pay for it, which is $10 a month, it's super cheap, you click on the weighted link. And what that does is it gives you key information about my channel and what I can do to optimize this video and whether or not I should even try and make a video. Now, I don't rely on this all the time, but I would say 90% of the time I'm gonna focus on the searchability of a video. So once I've recorded and edited my video and I'm ready to publish it to YouTube, I start by adding my keywords and my title, my tags, and my description. And the other benefit of having TubeBuddy is that it can check to see how well I optimize my SEO on the video. And based off of what TubeBuddy tells me, I can adjust my title, my tags, or my description to either include more keywords or less, or vice versa. So if you take a quick look at my analytics, you're going to see that almost 50% of the views that I get on YouTube are through search. That's why it's super important to make sure that your video is optimized properly. So you can spend all this time filming, editing, and publishing to YouTube, but if it's not optimized, nobody is going to see your video. So if you're interested in TubeBuddy, I have an affiliate link down below. This video is not sponsored by them. However, if you do click on that link and you download the free version of TubeBuddy, it does help out me and this channel. It helps put food on the table and keep the lights on. So the next important thing when trying to hit 1,000 subscribers is you need to plan out your videos. So whether you want to script out your videos word for word or just create bullet points, it's very important to have like a general sense of the form of the video that you're about to create. So if we take a quick look at the analytics here, all of these videos here, I scripted out and I decided what I was going to say and what shots I would use while I was talking. Now, one thing I'm not going to dive into here is having a great thumbnail and title, because every video out there talks about how to grow your audience, your YouTube channel, with having a great title and a great thumbnail. There's plenty of videos on that. And it's extremely important because that is the first impression somebody's going to have about your video. And this is the deciding factor as to whether or not somebody is going to either click on your video or scroll past your video. However, if somebody clicks on your video and they're immediately presented with, "Hey guys, sorry, I've been super busy. My cat got a bee stuck in its nose. I had to go to the vet," and then they had to suction it out with a balloon, and super crazy, and it's super. Or, you know, photography. We're gonna talk about photography today. Portraits and lighting. We're gonna do all of that today, and I'm gonna show you how we do that. I guess today, right? There's nothing worse as a viewer clicking on a video and you're not immediately presented with the information that you were promised in the title and in the thumbnail. So when you make your videos, make sure you have the viewer's best interest in mind. And that alone is going to keep people coming back to your channel and wanting to subscribe to you without you even having to ask. Which now brings me to my next point, which is providing value to your audience. So I want you to think about two things when you make a video. One, is your audience going to leave learning something new from watching your video? Or two, are they going to be entertained while they're watching your specific video? And if we take a quick look at my analytics page, the videos that performed well again were the ones that I provided some type of value. In my case, it was educational value on a product or on a specific topic. That is the huge difference on a video that performs well and a video that doesn't, is what type of value are you providing to your audience? This is the one that I want to drive home to you. Providing value to your viewers. That is the most important thing. Besides thumbnails, besides having a great title and optimizing your channel, all of those things are important. But if they click on your video and it's nothing but just rambling and it's nothing but clickbait, those things are gonna drive viewers away and it's gonna hurt you in the long run. But if you fulfill your promise, when somebody clicks on your video and you provide what you said you were going to provide, the viewers are going to keep coming back. They're going to subscribe and you're going to grow your channel. And the last thing that I want to drive home is engaging back with your audience. I have come across a lot of smaller YouTube channels and with 1,000 to 5,000 subscribers. And one of the biggest things that I've noticed on not every channel, but on some channels, is that they don't reply to the comments. That is huge. The whole point of YouTube is to create a community of like-minded individuals. And a lot of times they'll ask questions. They want to know how you do certain things and want to leave comments about your videos, whether they're nice or negative. It doesn't matter. Responding to every single comment that comes into YouTube is imperative. People want to actually interact with the creator. And you cannot tell me that you're so busy that you cannot respond to every single comment. Now, I get it. If you're a big channel and you've got millions and millions of subs, that gets a little bit harder. But when we're first starting out, there's really no excuse as to why you can't respond to every single comment on YouTube. And I think it's one of those small little details that's really gonna kind of help you grow and grow and grow. Anyways, I hope you like this video. I hope it's kind of helpful to you. Again, everything that I've talked about will be linked down below. If you click on it, if you sign up, it's gonna help me, it's gonna help the channel. Anyways, guys, we'll see you in the next video. Happy New Year. Welcome to 2022. It's going to be a great year. And I will see you on the other side.